Are you ready to take your business to the next level online? In today's digital world, having a strong online presence isn't optional, it's essential. Whether it's a website that looks amazing or social media that truly connects with your audience, arubinaccount.com is here to make it happen. 021 to 1 o'clock, Introduction to Services. At arubinaccount.com, we specialize in two main areas. Social media management. We create strategies that help your business engage with your audience, grow followers, and increase brand awareness. From eye-catching content to campaigns that drive results, we handle everything so you can focus on running your business. Website development. Your website is your online home. We design professional, responsive, and user-friendly websites that reflect your brand and make a lasting impression. Whether you need an e-commerce store, a portfolio, or a business website, we've got you covered. 101 to 140. Highlight benefits, pain points. Think about this for a moment. How many potential customers have visited your website or social media page only to leave because it wasn't engaging or easy to use? That's lost opportunity. With our services, you get a website that works flawlessly on any device, content that your audience actually wants to engage with, a strategy that converts followers into loyal customers. We make digital marketing simple, effective, and measurable. 1